Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can uninstall or remove the Google Chrome extensions silently without any reboot using the Intune policy. So let me first show you. If I open the Google Chrome and if you go to the Google Chrome extensions and click on manage extensions, we can see that we already have two extensions installed on this device. And let me go to the store, and then let me just quickly add one more extension just to show you. Let me add any game and just install this game. Now we have added the three extensions. Now consider the scenario. You have to remove all these extensions from the device silently without rebooting it. How you will do this? So to do this, what we have to do, we have to update this JSON file in which we have to update the Chrome extension ID. And you can see in this we have 5 extension ID, and I want to remove these extensions. So we have to first find the extension ID. To find the extension ID, you have to click on details. So this is the extension ID. Copy this extension ID and then go to this location and then just update the extension ID. Same thing you have to do for other two also. Let me quickly do this. Click on details, copy this extension ID, update the second one, and then same thing we have to do for the third one also. Click on details, copy this extension ID and update this. And now you have to just remove the last three and then comma also. If you want to only remove the one extension, you just need to remove these two lines and along with the comma. Now this is ready. You need to use this JSON file to remove the all three extensions silently. Now before creating a policy, let me go to the Chrome browser, and if you search called Chrome // policy. Now you can see that as of now, there is no policy received from Intune and there is no option or policy configured on this. So when we are configuring this policy, we will see some information in this location. So now let's go to the Intune portal and let's create the policy. We have to create a configuration profile, create a new policy, and the platform is Windows 10 and later. Policy type is setting catalog. Click on create. Give the policy name. So I'm going to give the remove Google Chrome extensions. Same thing in the description. Let me click on next. And here we have to add a settings. Then we have to search for Google Chrome. And within Google Chrome, we have to search for extension policy. So this is called Google Chrome extensions. And within Google Chrome extensions, we have to search for extension management settings. And then we have to enable these settings. And then in the extension management settings for device, what we have to do, we just need to paste this setting. And now click on next, assign this policy on your set of devices for testing purpose. So I have a machine which is a part of CMP patching testing. Click on next, click on create. And now policy is created. Now let me quickly do a policy sync. And now if we go to the extension, wait for some time and we can see that these extensions are automatically removed without any reboot. And now we can see that the extensions are automatically removed from your device and we no need to reboot the machine. And now if we go to the policies and refresh the policies, now we can see that the extensions are automatically added in this location. If you click on this, we can see that all three extensions. And if you go to the extensions, you can see that for this instant gaming, this is blocked also. So it is not only going to remove the extension, but it is also going to block the user so that user will not able to reinstall this extension after applying this policy. So that's how you can remove the multiple Google Chrome extensions using the same policy without rebooting the device. So that's all for this video. I hope this is a useful video for you, and I will see you soon in my next video where I will talk about how to remove the extension from the Edge browser.